Habibi, come to Dubai.
Airport service.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, right now, we are in Manas International Airport, Bishkek. So we are now going to Abu Dhabi, and I'll stay for 2 days in Abu Dhabi, and then to. We'll stay for 2 days in Abu Dhabi. So let's go. Vinith is also traveling with me. He is also in the same plane. We are traveling by Biz Airlines here from Bishkek to Abu Dhabi, and then he is going to India.
I'm going to Hyderabad via Vistara.
So he is gonna stay for 24 hours in Dubai. So let's go. Security check is done, and there is our flight. So let's go. So just now boarding is also done. We came to the flight, and
First experience with this.
let's see the first experience with Wizz Airlines. The cheapest ticket from Bishkek to Abu Dhabi. I got it for 4,500 rupees. Noora?
5,000 with luggage.
5,000 with luggage and 4,500 without luggage. So let's board. Let's go. So let's board the flight. Abhishek. So let's board the flight. Abhishek. మీరు అతడు ఏం చేస్తున్నారు ఇక్కడ?
ఎయిర్పోర్ట్ సర్వీస్కి వచ్చామండి.
We just now reached Dubai from Abu Dhabi by bus.
Correct time ki.
Say,
Habibi, come to Dubai.
so right now we are at the metro station. We are now going to Jumeirah, Palm Jumeirah, and later we'll go to Burj Khalifa. So let's go. So we just took our metro tickets. That's 22 dirhams per person for 1 day for unlimited rides. So let's go into the metro. So right now we are in Jabal Ali 2 metro station. We are now going to Sober Reality at Sober Reality metro stop. No driver in this metro. So we are now going to Jumeirah Beach. Follow me. So just now we reached the Palm Jumeirah station, and now we are going to Atlantis.
Atlantis Aquenches. Atlantis Aquenches. Atlantis Aquenches.
We are taking the monorail, so let's go. We are so sleepy and tired. Just now we are going to Dubai Mall. సరే రే ఫోకస్ గ్లాసెస్ రా ఫోకస్
నేను కనిపిస్తలేను రా.
నిహార్
బ్లాక్ బ్లాక్
నిహార్ గడ్ బాగా నల్లగా కనిపిస్తున్నాడంట కాకపోతే
Black తీస్తే కనిపిస్తుంది.
అది అర్థం కాలే సన్ గ్లాసెస్ సో దుబాయ్ మాల్ to a Nike store, not to buy anything but to see this excellent view. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is day 2 in Dubai. So right now I'm in Abu Dhabi International Airport. This is the Terminal 1. We are now going to Dubai. I'll show you what bus we should take. Let's go. So we arrived at our last place of this trip, that is Dubai Frame. Let's take some pictures and let's go back to the airport. My flight is at 11:30 in the night. It's almost 4 o'clock now. We should go to Abu Dhabi from Dubai. That will be like 1.5 hours. So most probably I'll start at 5:30 so that I can reach on time. We covered all the places in Dubai. I forgot the Museum of Future. So we are now going to the Museum of Future. Let's go. So we just entered the Museum of Future. The Museum of Future, it's very futuristic. Although I did not capture all the videos, it's damn good. I'm in the lift right now and the lift itself is futuristic. See? And these two are the World Trade Center. So we have completed our Dubai trip. Let's go back to Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi. I have a flight to Hyderabad. Let's go. చెప్పండి ఏదో ఒకటి. So right now we are in Jabal Ali 2 metro station. We are now going to Soba Reality.